Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we're back with another OEB video. So let's get started. Today our topic is Occupational Exposure Banding Toxicological Source. Toxicological information source as evaluate and ranked as ranked 1 and ranked 2. Ranked 1 is recommended source and ranked 2 is evaluated source or second source. Rank 1 source most likely about toxic information. Rank 2 source is mostly liked about if you find any source in rank 1, that source is in rank 2. However, it's crucially remembered that rank 2 is also trustworthy. If you have any inquiry related pharmaceutical equipment, solid dosage form, raw materials, liquid line and many more, you can contact with Senieer. If you like our video, subscribe our channel, comment on our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.